Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
चालू विधानसभेक आमदारांनी पक्ष बदलाचो रेकॉर्ड केलो. नवे विधानसभेक उमेदवारांचो पक्षांतराचो रेकॉर्ड कुडतरीत मातशें चडूच जालें. 2-3 पक्षांच्यो सोयरीको मोडून आलेक्स निमाणो अपक्ष. आमदार जाल्यार सरकार पक्षाक चिकटूंक मेकळो. लोक आदलो वावर पळोवन आपल्याक आमदार करतले म्हूण आलेक्स रावला.
A lot of people on the voting day also have expressed to me, like for example, I got phone calls with a heavy heart. In spite of what you have done, I have voted for you because you are a good person. You have helped us in times of need. These have been some of the few things that have touched my heart. I look forward in working really truly, not to the best of my abilities, but the super best of my abilities. I will do anything, come what may, whichever party forms the government, and I certainly look forward in doing work. Like for example, before when I used to go to the ruling side, that's the BJP, I was targeted. Now I'm independent. Now I can go to anybody. But I look forward in doing work. We have always taken up issues, coal, name it. We have taken up Tamna project. We have taken up CRZ issues. I can't forget those issues because I have followed up consistently without any backing from the party. I have done it alone.
विरोधकांनी खंय बरीच कारस्थानां केली. बीजेपी वाले आलेक्साक वावुरले, तरी कुर्तरे खंय बीजेपीच.
थोड्यांनी आमचेर अटॅकूय ट्राय केले करपाक स्ट्रीटारांक घेवन, पूण आमी ते लिपोवन काडले आनी ट्रेंड्स बरे आहले. 21,700 सुमार वोटींग जाला. तितूंतले हांव एक्सपेक्ट कोता 8,000 प्लस वोट्स.
So you are confident of victory?
110% victory.
Okay.
This time it will be a history in Kurtori. BJP candidate will win and it will create history in the history book. आमचे मंडलाचे तेंचे बरोबर आशिल्ले, पूण तेवूय तेगे जावूं ना, सादोना. आमचे इंडिपेंडंट MLA इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेटाचे सादोना, तेवूय लोक जाणां कितें तें. सो लोकांनी सारकें चिंतून वोटींग केलां, यंग फेस आनी न्यू चेंज जाय म्हणून. आनी गव्हर्मेंट BJPचो जातलो ते पासत चड करून BJP वोटींग केलां. आनी आमचे हांगा राया हांव एक्सपेक्ट कोता 3,000 प्लस वोट राया पंचायत. कितें ट्रायबल लोकांनी सगळ्यान म्हजे बरोबर रावला.
कुडतरकारां खातीर आदिसान वावुरला. पयसो न्ही, वावर पळोवन आपाचो आमदार करतले.
आनी ह्या इलेक्शनाक लोकांनी आमकां भरपूर सपोर्ट केलो, भरपूर विश्वास दाखयलो आनी आमी पयशे मोड नासतना हें आमगे इलेक्शन केलां. आम आदमी पार्टी तिकेट दिन पयलीं मातशें तितले आमगे हे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आम आदमी म्हणल्यार लोकां तितले तें तकलें गेलें ना. जेन्ना हांव बसलो, जो मुगेलो होदो मायज सपोर्ट आहलो आनी जेन्ना लोक मुजे बरोबर आहलो तो जेन्ना डॉमिनिक आम आदमी गेलो, पार्टीक गेलो, म्हणटरी तेय खुशाल जाले. एक बरो पार्टी आनी हितून मिस्टेक कांय काडपा ना, लिडर बरें. सगल्यांनी आतां आम आदमी पार्टी आनी डॉमिनिक गांवकार म्हूण सपोर्ट केला.
कुर्तरी खंय आदी सावन काँग्रेसचो गड.
Kurtori is a Congress bastion, and this time Congress on एक बरो new candidate दिला for Kurtori constituency, a new face. And Rahul Gandhi also visited our constituency. So the trend is that I think Congress is going to win. So Congress ticket along with the wave that the people want a Congress format, that will be the big factor. I got very short time. 20th my ticket was declared, so effectively 15 days I got for campaigning, but I gave my 100%. And but my opponents only kept on worrying about negative publicity. They gave a lot of negative publicity to me, and even the election machinery was used against me.
स्टुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.